Lesson 1. Listen to the conversation. Did you sleep well?
No, I couldn't sleep well at all.
Did you sleep well?
No, I couldn't sleep well at all.
Were you at home last night?
No, I worked late last night.
Were you at home last night?
No, I worked late last night.
Aren't they students?
I really don't know.
Aren't they students?
I really don't know.
Can I get you anything else?
A cup of coffee, please.
Can I get you anything else?
A cup of coffee, please.
Does Zara have a red pencil?
Yes, she does.
Does Zara have a red pencil?
Yes, she does.
The show was absolutely fantastic.
I'm very glad you enjoyed it.
The show was absolutely fantastic.
I'm very glad you enjoyed it.
How much is it?
It's $20.
How much is it?
It's $20.
Where are you from?
I come from London.
Where are you from?
I come from London.
Do you have time now?
I'm free now.
Do you have time now?
I'm free now.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, that was a nice sleep.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, that was a nice sleep.
What about your opinion?
I generally agree with you.
What about your opinion?
I generally agree with you.
What are you doing?
I'm reading newspaper.
What are you doing?
I'm reading newspaper.
I have a good idea.
Can you share it with us?
I have a good idea.
Can you share it with us?
Are you free on Sunday?
Sorry, but I have a date on Sunday.
Are you free on Sunday?
Sorry, but I have a date on Sunday.
I want to work abroad.
Where would you like to go?
I want to work abroad.
Where would you like to go?
Who are you writing to?
I'm writing to an old friend.
Who are you writing to?
I'm writing to an old friend.
What's your favorite color?
Black and white.
What's your favorite color?
Black and white.
Why is it so hot?
The air conditioner is broken.
Why is it so hot?
The air conditioner is broken.
When did you see them first?
I saw at the baseball game on Sunday.
When did you see them first?
I saw at the baseball game on Sunday.
Please do it quickly.
These things take time to do well.
Please do it quickly.
These things take time to do well.
My cat died this weekend.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My cat died this weekend.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Why did you divorce?
He was seeing other women.
Why did you divorce?
He was seeing other women.
Would you like something to drink?
Thank you. May I have a cup of tea?
Would you like something to drink?
Thank you. May I have a cup of tea?
Lesson 3. Now practice the sentences and say your part. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Were you at home last night? Were you at home last night? Aren't they students? Aren't they students? Can I get you anything else? Can I get you anything else? Does Zara have a red pencil? Does Zara have a red pencil? The show was absolutely fantastic. The show was absolutely fantastic. How much is it? How much is it? Where are you from? Where are you from? Do you have time now? Do you have time now? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? What about your opinion? What about your opinion? What are you doing? What are you doing? I have a good idea. I have a good idea. Are you free on Sunday? Are you free on Sunday? I want to work abroad. I want to work abroad. Who are you writing to? Who are you writing to? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Why is it so hot? Why is it so hot? When did you see them first? When did you see them first? Please do it quickly. Please do it quickly. My cat died this weekend. My cat died this weekend. Why did you divorce? Why did you divorce? Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? Lesson 4. Now do the opposite.
No, I couldn't sleep well at all. No, I couldn't sleep well at all. No, I worked late last night. No, I worked late last night. I really don't know. I really don't know. A cup of coffee, please. A cup of coffee, please. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. I'm very glad you enjoyed it. I'm very glad you enjoyed it. It's $20. It's $20. I come from London. I come from London. I'm free now. I'm free now. Yes, that was a nice sleep. Yes, that was a nice sleep. I generally agree with you. I generally agree with you. I'm reading newspaper. I'm reading newspaper. Can you share it with us? Can you share it with us? Sorry, but I have a date on Sunday. Sorry, but I have a date on Sunday. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? I'm writing to an old friend. I'm writing to an old friend. Black and white. Black and white. The air conditioner is broken. The air conditioner is broken. I saw at the baseball game on Sunday. I saw at the baseball game on Sunday. These things take time to do well. These things take time to do well. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. He was seeing other women. He was seeing other women. Thank you, may I have a cup of tea? Thank you, may I have a cup of tea?
Thanks for watching, please drop a like and leave a comment. If you want to watch our next class, click the right. Or want to play our full class, click the left. Keep learning, best of luck for you.